Let's now look at saving our Excel file. Now remember I said whenever you open a file, let's select A1, it refers to book 1, and as you open up more files, new files, say book 2, book 3. So now, the moment we save the file, it will actually then, whatever we save the file name as, it will replace book 1. There's a couple of ways that we can save it. We can either use a keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+S. Alternatively, we can click on the little disk, that saved disks that we've created in our quick access toolbar. Alternatively, we can go to the backstage, click on File and click on Save. Now, remember though, the first time that you save a file, it will automatically default to the Save As. From there, every time you save the file, it will simply just save the file. So let's click on the little Save Disk in our quick access toolbar. And can you see there that it automatically says save this file? Let me click cancel. Alternatively, I can go to my backstage, click on save, and see that it automatically defaults as save as. Alternatively, if I go Ctrl+S, I can save this file, and let's save this file via the backstage. So I'll go to File, Save My File, and then I want to say okay, but let me save this file to my desktop. And in my desktop, I'm going to call this file saved file. And if I now click on the save, remember from here you can select folders, you can browse as well, save it to OneDrive. Let me save the file now. And can you see there that the name has now changed to save file saved, right? And if I drop down, click on the drop down, it will tell me what's the file name, saved file, XLS is the file type, where was the file saved, and also version history. More about that in the intermediate and the advanced course.